Hi class, so today we're going to do a lesson about the color wheel. This video is to help you navigate throughout the website, show you everything you need to do and how to do it. To begin, let's press this tab up here that says the Colors song. It will take us to this page where we can see the video, the Colors song, and watch it. To watch it, we press this button right here. The video will start, and once you have finished, move on to the next tab, Primary and Secondary Colors. The next step is to review a presentation about the primary and secondary colors. To do so, click on this button right here. It will take you to a new page with the presentation over primary and secondary colors. There are 6 slides, and once you look at all of them, go back to this tab up here and answer these 3 questions. To answer the questions, simply click on an answer, like so, and then press Submit. Once you see this, where it says thank you, your information has been submitted, you can move on to the next tab. Under More, you see Warm and Cool Colors. Press on that tab. Now, we're going to learn about warm and cool colors. Press this button here to watch a video and answer questions. It will take you to another tab where you can watch the video by pressing this button here.
Hi, I'm Deja.
And I'm Jacob.
And this is our quest.
Throughout the video, there will be questions. By these green markers, you can see where the questions will be asked.
And polar bears.
At this point in the video, a question has been asked. To answer, simply select an answer and press Submit.
Polar bears?
And then go on with the video until you reach the end.
The answer for the polar bears.
Once you have finished the video, you may go back to the other tab with the website. Once we have finished the video and answered the questions, go to More and Quiz. Press that tab and it will take you to another page. Here, we will answer some questions in a fun game. By pressing this button, it will take you to the game. Once you get to this page, press Start Game. The game will begin and will be in this sort of format. Select the answer that you think is correct, and you will be told if you are right or wrong. Continue the game until you get to the end. We're going to stop so I can continue this video. Once you have finished the game, go back to the tab with the website. You'll see that you are now done. You have an option to make your own color wheel at home if you have free time, or you could even make a drawing that feels warm or cool. This is all for extra credit and is not necessary, but if you would like to, you can bring in your finished color wheel or drawing to class for extra credit. Okay, I think I covered